Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Enabling dark mode in Safari on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac is a very simple process. So, here is how you can do it. Firstly, in Mac, go to the Apple icon available in the top left corner. You can see there is an Apple icon available in top left corner. Simply tap on it. Then tap on the system settings. There, tap on appearances, and there you can see light, dark, and auto option available there. If you tap on light, then your Safari will change into light color, and if you tap on dark, then it will enable the dark mode. Your device interface, including Safari, will switch to a dark color scheme after you tap on the settings appearance. Now in iPhone and iPad, their process is same. So here you can see this Safari is in light color. Now you can simply go back to the settings, tap on it, and inside settings, scroll down and tap on display and brightness. Inside display and brightness, you can see the dark mode. Tap on the dark mode to enable dark mode. Your device interfaces, including Safari, will switch to a dark color scheme. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.